Hey y'all, I'm outside. Hey, welcome back to the channel. What should I call y'all? Comment down below what y'all's subscriber name should be. My friend, my cousin Jordan, over there. Can you see her?
Wow, I'm your friend.
Her, my cousin slash best friend Jordan. Her YouTube name is Jordan's Jewels, and if you subscribe to her, you'll be the what's your YouTube subscriber names?
Jordanian.
You're gonna become a Jordanian
Or a Julinator.
Yeah, or Julinator.
You guys can choose.
And by the way, I know if my intro says Unicorn Caden, some of my videos say Unicorn Caden, but it's gonna be changed, y'all. It's not gonna say Unicorn Caden anymore. And then, yeah,
we're thinking about adding music to our intros.
Yeah, because they're kind of plain. So y'all, I know my editing is trash, so I downloaded this new app, and I'm gonna start doing more voiceovers, DIY slime. I asked my grandma and them if they could help me in the store, but they said they couldn't because it's gonna be raining soon. And yeah, I am outside, Thursday, all that. But actually, if I turn the screen around, y'all, it is gray, gloomy, dark, like it's about to rain. It's gray everywhere. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm ready. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm back on my face. It's gonna be popped up at the screen, and then I'm gonna have my Musical.ly right here and my Snap on that side. Okay, just to tell y'all. And so y'all, oh, I don't know. I think I deleted that video. I don't think I posted, but I was showing y'all my new pop socket. It's white with like pink pineapples on it, like pinkish orange pineapples on it, and then like the back of my phone has like stickers instead of like a case. I don't want a case on my phone yet. I just want like plus I can't find a case. But y'all, I'm gonna do a vlog of me at Five Below. Oh my God, y'all, it's raining. Wait, let me show you. Hey y'all, it's raining. Y'all probably can't see it, but y'all, it's raining. It's raining, and there's water all over me. And stuff is blowing around, y'all. It's raining. Oh my God, it's raining. Oh my God, it's wet. It's wet. Okay, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this weird video. I'm not gonna end it. I'm ending it.
Yeah, we ending this. Bye.
Okay. Y'all,
It's raining outside like crap.
Y'all can't see the rain. I wish I could see the rain, y'all, but it's like, look. It doesn't even look bad on camera though, but y'all, it's super bad. And it's raining like crazy. Look at the trees.
And yep, we know.
Oh my God!
We're so glad that we came.
Oh my! We would have been dead.
Yeah.
Look at that! Imagine if that drum was still
demolishing the porch, like it's flooding.
Imagine if man. Yeah, right
before this happened.
Oh my God!
Miracles, people, miracles.
Oh my God, y'all! Imagine if we were still outside. We would be soaking wet. My mama doubted today that it would be raining. She was like, "News says it's gonna rain, but it's not raining yet." Ma, you were wrong. Clearly, I mean, stop messing with my plates here. Whoa,
sky.
Look, God is sweating a lot.
I can't believe it. It's not.
Oh God,
she's real pretty.
Look, y'all, I'm just gonna
follow her everywhere.
On her social media. Look at that tree. Oh my God, these trees look bad. Look. Y'all, I don't know why everything was good on camera.
Okay,
I mean, bad on camera, but like it's just weird.
Thank you for all of your support. And we're gonna say goodbye because the vlog is getting kind of blurry because of the rain. Exactly.
Y'all, have a nice day. I hope you had a wonderful day watching my terrible raining vlog. So yeah, bye. Like, comment, subscribe.
Now we gotta go.
Bye. Like I said, y'all, it is gray, pure gray, and it's so dark.
Today is gonna be a rainy day. And
oh my gosh,
the sky is always a pretty gray.
But y'all, on camera it's so dark.
As you can hear, my cousin is in the
but y'all, on camera it's kind of like light gray, but on camera it's super dark. Like dang. That's my cousin Jordan. Go on YouTube and film a video on YouTube. It has great screen quality. Are you filming yours on YouTube?
No, I'm filming mine on my camera right
Oh,
now.
your camera has good quality. Anyways, y'all, so yeah, like it is so dark. And then you see trees. Is this one even? Y'all can see that a little bit. It's waving. Here, let me show y'all a tree that's actually like moving. Look.
It's like so beautiful right now, as you can see.
See. So y'all, yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Everywhere. But everything is so beautiful right now. And I just want to say something real quick.
It's so
As
pretty
you can
though.
see at the beginning
I don't know
of
why,
this
but
video,
whenever it's like dark outside, I get so hyped up because it's so
I
dark.
have the
Oh
intro
my
and
God, y'all.
outro. So,
He's speaking to
I'm gonna
us.
be doing
Oh,
that more,
oh,
and
no,
I
he
added
left.
one of
He's
my
gone.
music too, so you
Oh,
guys
oh,
can
he's
follow
back.
me.
He's back. Oh, no,
Because
no, he left.
I need
Why
more
is it so?
followers, like, I'm trying
Okay,
to connect with the internet.
Jordan, is he doing it to your camera? Making like on camera, the sky is super dark, but off camera it's like lightish gray and not extremely dark.
Exactly.
Like, look, y'all, it's super dark on camera, but from my angle, it's light.
With my filters, so it's good.
I think that's what it probably is. My
Yeah, so
my thing's probably
I'm
too
down
bright.
with, like,
Oh my
that.
God, y'all,
Like,
we shouldn't even be
follow
outside, bro. Look at that.
So, if you guys
Oh my God, I can feel rain on me. Sorry to be excuse me. Sneeze it.
make this video really
Been sneezing for a long time. Y'all, it's kind of cold, chilly.
Greater. And I just really love you guys.
Sneezing
And
all
she over
day.
here sneezing like
I hate sneezing, y'all.
there's no tomorrow.
Y'all was sneezing like crap yesterday.
And please go to my Instagram and follow
y'all.
me on Instagram at Jordan Marie.
Oh my
Carey.
God. You right, I forgot to tell them that.
As you can see, I
Oh,
posted
okay,
a
sneezing
video
it. Okay.
of you guys giving
So
me
y'all, my Instagram is they with 2 Y's underscore love with 2 E's underscore Kaden with 2 E's. I'm gonna tweet that on screen so y'all can see. I'm gonna change it to my face. Be right back.